Hello, Candace Carter, Thoughts to Go. Posting now on my first classic playlist, which I started in the beginning, Thoughts to Go. I have not, as of yet, said anything about Corona for the simple reason everybody says something about Corona. I'm an artist. Being in home office is not that big a deal. I'm used to this. And the only thing I think might be interesting to add to the discussion of how life in a global shutdown causes us to find information about ourselves. Now, a very good friend of mine said shortly after we went into shutdown, you take your personality into the crisis. And in the crisis, depending on how you react, you can kind of see where you are in your life, what's going on with you, what's important, what's not. I thought that was quite an excellent observation. And since she said that, I have been kind of watching people. There are different reactions. I mean, young people, this is maybe their first, big crisis, and if you used to just, go with the flow, spend your life, you're young, it's wonderful, which is great, and then something like this comes along, yeah, you have to deal with that. Now, other people could be the type of person that's very critical and maybe has a lot of fear about government, about control, about what can happen after Corona, because there's a lot of things we have to do now we're not used to doing. We have to wear masks, when we're in grocery stores and department stores. We have to sign our name when we go to a restaurant, so in case somebody there has Corona, they can contact the people. We also now have an app to be used to trace people, to save lives. For some people, it means, 1984 is beginning to come. Well, considering the fact that most of us use WhatsApp and some of us use Instagram and Facebook and other things, I think 1984 has more or less been here for a while. So, that's kind of the thing. You go into a crisis with your personality. So look at how you are in the crisis. That might be interesting for you, and I think that's enough of an idea to pass on today. So have a good day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.